Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic modes of transmission of communicable diseases. So this topic is from chapter 4 Health and Hygiene of class 6. So students, in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those diseases which get transferred from an infected person to healthy person. Now, what we have to discuss today is how these disease causing germs from the infected person or from the infected source they pass on to the healthy person. So, the modes of transmission, it can be direct mode and it can be indirect mode. So the disease causing germs, it can directly get transferred to the healthy person, or by some indirect ways the disease causing germs can get into the body of the healthy person. So one by one we will discuss these two modes. So first is the direct mode. Students, the direct mode involves direct contact. Okay, when the infected person is coming in contact with the healthy person directly, and this contact, it can be in the form of, like, it can be skin to skin. When the skin of the infected person, it is coming in contact with the skin of healthy person. Then next, it can be mucus to mucus. Mucus, you all know, okay, the sticky fluid which is present inside our nose as well as in the respiratory system, that is windpipe. Okay, then third, it can be mucus to skin. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that when the infected person is coming in direct contact with the healthy person, the germs, they get transferred, the disease causing germs, they get transferred from infected to healthy person and makes the healthy person sick or ill or diseased. Okay, so it can be with a skin to skin, like in case of leprosy. Leprosy is the disease. Eczema, again skin disease. Okay, when we talk about this mucus, suppose a person is suffering from tuberculosis, asthma. So while he coughs, what happens? It's mucus. Suppose that mucus, it comes in contact with the healthy person, the healthy person will get the infection. Okay, so its example we can say tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. Okay, then beta mucus to skin. When the mucus of the infected person, it comes in contact with the skin of the healthy person, the healthy person becomes diseased. Okay, so this is the first type of direct mode. The second type of direct mode is droplet infections. So the second is droplet infections. So what are droplet infections? When an infected person coughs, sneezes, okay, the particles or the germs released into the air, okay, Okay, suppose person A is infected and he coughs or spits, खांसता है या थूकता है, then the droplets coming out of its body, it will contains the germs, and these germs through air or any other source, when they enter the body of healthy person, suppose B is healthy person, this person will also become infected. Okay, so droplet infections, coughing, sneezing, okay, then spitting. So during all these processes, खांसना, थूकना, छींकना, ठीक है, जब भी हम ये एक्टिविटी, ये प्रोसेस बॉडी में होती है, then the droplets they come out of the nose or through the mouth, okay, and the droplets which comes out of the mouth or through the nose, they contains the germ, and if the person is infected, okay, it means that droplets, it will contain the germ that is causing the disease in the infected person, and if that germ enters into the body of the healthy person will also become diseased. So this is the second method of direct mode of transmission. The third one is through infected needles or syringes. By infected needles or syringes. So the germs, they can also enter the body by the use of infected needles or by the use of infected syringes. Okay, so it is like rabies virus. It enters into the body when a dog bites. Okay, so when a dog bites us, its saliva contains the virus, and that virus, while it enters into the body of the person, okay, that person suffer from rabies. Second is AIDS. So it can occur during blood transfusion. Blood transfusion. So if the blood of infected person is transfused into the body of healthy person, okay, and the person is suffering from AIDS, the healthy person, he will also become diseased. So these are the three methods of direct mode of transmission of communicable diseases. Second is indirect mode. What is indirect mode? Indirect mode means through some sources the germs they are getting entry into our body. So indirect mode. So it can be by the use of utensils of the patient, by the use of infected cloths, okay, then it can be by use of unwashed fruits and vegetables. So indirectly through these substances the germs they are getting entry into our body. So beta, this is the indirect mode of transmission of communicable diseases.